Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a document by clicking on a particular link. Let's get started. Let's assume that I'm currently on the sheet. I've added a hyperlink to update a document, and I've written some text here that reads, "Click to update." Now, sometimes we need to update our document regularly. So I've created a text here, and I'll put a hyperlink on this text. Whenever I click on this text, a Notepad or Excel file or a Word document will open automatically, and I can update it. Now what I'll do is keep my cursor in the cell and press Ctrl K. Once I press Ctrl K, I'll select the option to create a new document. I'll type the name of the document as records.txt. I'll specify the location on the desktop for easy access and click OK. Now it will prompt me for when I want to edit it. I'll choose to edit it now and click OK. So I've set it to edit now. If you observe, the name of the file is records and it's a Notepad file. I'll type some text and close the file. After doing other tasks in Excel, if I remember I need to update that particular Notepad file, I'll just click on this hyperlink. It may prompt me to open it due to macro security. I'll say yes. You can keep updating the file by clicking on the link whenever you want to update or make some changes. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.